will tell you how to make pink cut crease sparkling glittery eyes. So first you have to prepare your eye for the shadows. First apply the shade over your socket line and blend it very well. Then apply it a little lighter shade and then apply the glue on which you have to apply the glitter. Then apply glitter on it. First you have to set the glue, then apply glitter on it. I love the glitters very much. Then after applying glitter, add kajal over your liner area and then highlight your inner corner of eye, and this is how it looks like. Now apply glitter shade on your lower eye. This is how it looks like. The perfectly glittered pink cut crease eye makeup. So now have a look and overview of the cut crease makeup. Kindly like my video and subscribe for more latest updates on my channel.